Listen up. Your LinkedIn profile isn't just a digital resume. It's your personal marketing weapon. And right now, most lawyers show up on LinkedIn as if they are showing up to a championship game with a rule book instead of a playbook. One mistake I see is cookie cutter conformity. Let me show you something. Pull up your LinkedIn right now. Does it look like this? Experienced attorney with 10 years in practice? Stiff corporate headshot? Wall of text nobody's reading? That's not a profile, that's a sleeping pill. For example, let's compare these two profiles. John Smith, attorney at law, practicing civil litigation. Boring. Versus, I help small businesses fight back against corporate bullies, turned $50K dispute into a $500K settlement. Dad, marathon runner, disruptor, magnetic. Do you see the difference? In the first example, we're telling. In the second example, we're selling. Another common mistake I see is zero personal branding. Lawyers think expertise is your golden ticket. Wrong. Your credentials are table stakes. What makes you memorable is your story. Let's look at this case study as an example. Sarah Martinez, employment lawyer. The generic approach would be focused on employment law. The personal brand approach would be fought workplace discrimination cases that helped change company policies, helping professionals reclaim their dignity one lawsuit at a time. Which Sarah would you hire? Exactly. Another mistake, it's called zombie networking. What is your current LinkedIn networking strategy? Here's some real talk. This is zombie networking. It's when you send out generic connection requests, you post every once in a blue moon when you remember. It's when you think connections mean actual relationships. None of these are true. A better approach would be to engage meaningfully, comment with insight, share your actual experiences, and create value before asking for anything. So instead of sending a connection request that just says, let's connect, what if you actually talked about their latest post and asked them if you could hear more about what they're seeing in their particular practice area? So let's talk about what it actually takes to become the top 1% on LinkedIn. Here's a breakdown of a strategy that actually worked. Number 1, craft a story-driven profile. You want to show your human side, highlight unique perspectives, use a conversational language. 2, create helpful thought leadership content. Share real insights, tell client success stories, be vulnerable, be authentic. Number 3, participate in strategic, consistent engagement. Post 2 to 3 times per week, comment on others' content, and build genuine relationships. The lawyers who are mastering LinkedIn aren't just practicing law, they're building personal brands that attract clients like a magnet. Let's turn your profile from invisible to irresistible. Drop a comment below with your biggest LinkedIn challenge or which of these mistakes you're guilty of. And as always, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe.